Hello and welcome back to the channel. You've probably heard the buzz about ChatGPT, right? This AI tool is everywhere, and trust me, it's not just for fun conversations anymore. Today, I'm revealing the top strategies on how you can turn ChatGPT into a cash machine. Yep, we're talking real money, people. So, grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into 5 killer ways you can start making money with ChatGPT starting today. Just stick to the end to see which strategy suits you best. First, Freelance Writing Services. Before closing this video, I know what you're thinking. Writing? Me? No way. But hold up, hear me out. ChatGPT can help you become a freelance writing superstar without you needing to be Shakespeare. How, you ask? Simple. ChatGPT can draft articles, blogs, product descriptions, whatever the client needs. You just need to polish it up, add a bit of your personal flair, and boom, you're in business. Let's say you get a gig to write an article about, I don't know, the best dog breeds for apartments. Just type that into ChatGPT, and you can give more details on how to write, such as the length, the style, and make it look as it is written by a real human. You've got a detailed outline or even a rough draft. From there, you just add your voice, some anecdotes, maybe a joke or two. Remember, humor always sells, and you've got content ready to deliver. Clients love it because you're fast and efficient, and you'll love it because, well, who doesn't love getting paid? Freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are perfect for this. Set up your profile, showcase a few samples, and start bidding on projects. With ChatGPT in your corner, you'll be knocking out quality content faster than you can say payday. And here's a little secret. Most clients don't care how the magic happens. They just want results. Second, online courses and tutorials. Teaching others how to use ChatGPT. Yep, you can make money just by sharing your knowledge. Whether it's an online course, a YouTube tutorial, or even a simple ebook, there's a huge market for people who want to learn how to harness the power of AI. And let's face it, with all the hype around AI, folks are itching to get in on the action. You don't have to be an AI expert either. Just knowing the basics and being able to explain them in a way that's easy to understand can make you a hit. Break down the different ways ChatGPT can be used, like we're doing in this video, and show people how to get started. Create step-by-step guides, share tips and tricks, and before you know it, you've got a loyal following. And here's the beauty of it. Once you've created your content, it becomes a passive income stream. Every time someone buys your course or ebook, that's money in your pocket. So, not only are you helping others learn, but you're also building a steady income for yourself. Third, social media management. Let's talk social media. If you're a social media whiz, you can use ChatGPT to manage accounts for businesses or influencers. ChatGPT is great for drafting engaging posts, coming up with captions, and even generating ideas for content calendars. Imagine having a tool that helps you crank out quality content in minutes instead of hours. Sounds like a game changer, right? Brands are always looking for ways to connect with their audience. And with ChatGPT, you can offer them a service that's fast, efficient, and consistent. Plus, you can manage multiple accounts at once, which means you can scale up your business without burning out. And here's a little tip. If you can help a brand go viral, they'll be more than happy to keep you on board. And yeah, you can charge extra for that. Whether it's Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or even TikTok, ChatGPT can help you create content that resonates with audiences. And the best part, you get to be creative while ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. Now that's what I call working smarter, not harder. Next, chatbot development for businesses. All right, on to the next moneymaker, building chatbots for businesses. You might think you need to be a tech wizard to do this, but ChatGPT's got your back. Businesses are all about automation these days, and guess what? You can create smart, engaging chatbots for them with minimal effort. Think of a restaurant needing a bot to handle reservations, or a small e-commerce store wanting to answer customer queries 24/7. You can step in and offer to set up these chatbots using ChatGPT. It's like giving their customer service a superpower. Plus, you can charge a pretty penny for the service. After all, you're helping them streamline their business. It's a win-win. And don't worry if you're not a coder. Platforms like ManyChat or MobileMonkey let you integrate AI like ChatGPT into their bots easily. All you need is a bit of creativity and an understanding of what the business needs. Once you've got that down, you'll be setting up chatbots like a pro. And the best part? You can even offer ongoing maintenance or updates as an additional service. An opportunity for recurring revenue. Finally, personal AI assistant. Last but definitely not least, offering yourself as a personal AI assistant. This one's a bit futuristic, but trust me, it's already happening. With ChatGPT, you can assist busy professionals by managing their emails, scheduling their appointments, drafting reports, you name it. You're essentially becoming their AI-powered virtual assistant. And yes, you can charge top dollar for this. Imagine having a tool that can handle the boring stuff while you focus on building relationships and growing your client base. ChatGPT can be your silent partner, helping you get things done faster and with more accuracy. And clients? They'll love the fact that you're efficient and always on top of things. This is perfect for anyone who loves the idea of helping others be more productive, but doesn't want to get bogged down by the nitty-gritty details. With ChatGPT, you can offer a high-value service without feeling overwhelmed. And hey, if you get good at it, you might just find yourself in high demand. So there you have it, 5 solid ways to make money with ChatGPT. Whether you're into writing, teaching, managing social media, or even working as a virtual assistant, there's something here for everyone. The key is to start small, find what works best for you, and scale up from there. And don't forget, ChatGPT is a tool. The real magic happens when you add your own creative and twist on it. Similar videos are on the way soon. So please like and subscribe to not miss any upcoming videos. Have a nice day, and bye.